Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. This week we have an installation and review video for you. It's our independent, unbiased opinion of the Torklift GlowSteps.
We installed these steps about a year ago, so we have real life experience with them. I hope y'all enjoy the video and find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications.
We ordered the A8004 Glow Light Step. Here we have the hardware and installation booklet that came with the steps. The tools needed were a 9/16 wrench, a 5/8 wrench, a driver with a 5/16 socket, a jack, and a piece of 2x6.
Okay, so we're about to replace our standard steps with new Torklift steps. First thing we did was unscrew everything underneath, which was 6 bolts.
Put a screwdriver through the side, right here, that comes in and it holds the frame of the steps in place. Flat washer, block washer, and that to hold it. Now we got the 2 bolts in there, so I'll reach up and I'm going to take this screwdriver out that was holding it, and I'll reinsert this bolt where that came out. Alright, that's that one. 4 bolts in, just tighten them up, 2 9/16 wrenches.
So when all is said and done, maybe 10 minutes, if that. Read through all your instructions, gather up all of your tools. He was really good about getting all the nuts and bolts laid out and the appropriate tools laid out.
Here, install.
So remove the pin. So depending on where you are, you can raise those legs up and down. And then there's another adjustment.
Up top here, you can just like this.
Bring them up.
Always
Pin it back.
pin it back.
Always pin it back.
This illustration shows all the different adjustment points. Torklift has a nice calculation and request form to ensure you order the correct version for your particular camper. You just need 2 measurements. Just make sure that your camper's level first. The first measurement that they want is between the factory mounting plates. This plate right in there and this one right over here. The second measurement they want is from the top of the box to the ground. Put those calculations in the Torklift calculation form and send it to them, and they'll tell you exactly which unit you need. This year we had an experience at a campground where if we'd have had those steps that folded up into the door and came out, we wouldn't have even been able to deploy them. We had an embankment right outside our door. It wouldn't have let us put the steps down, but with these steps, we were able to pull them out and put them in the position of the space we had available, and we were still able to use our steps. And other times, which is more often the case, we're in campsites that are very uneven. With the factory 3-step system that we had, it made for a very tall first step. With the Torklift steps, we added a 4th step, and you're still able to adjust and put the steps in exactly the place that you want it, minimizing that first step. Thirdly, if we get home in the dark, the Torklift steps have glow pads on them and they light up for you. They only need 5 minutes of daylight during the day, and then they'll glow for 10 hours at night. And the best part about the Torklift steps are they're a lifetime warranty. So all in all, we really consider the Torklift steps to be a definite upgrade.
So the great news is Torklift was kind enough to offer our viewers a discount code. So if you're interested in purchasing these steps as well, you can save $50 between October 29th and November 12th. If you go to torkliftcentral.com and enter discount code RAMBLIN50, RAMBLIN, no G, 50, and you'll save $50. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you found that informational. If so, please make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell if you don't want to miss an episode.
You didn't forget about Outtakes, did you?
Here they come. Oh, should I think how to start?
Exactly which... bird. Hi, birdie.
So the great news is, you chuckle when I chuckle.
Yep. Here comes another golf cart. Just make sure that... No.
Interested in purchasing these steps as well? Did I say purchase?
The Torklift steps have little glow pads on the sides.
A bird and a boat. That's awesome.
All day and we get home late at night. Would you shut up, Barry? Torklift stuff.
I think they're
He's
just laughing at you.